We are on the back of this machine. You will find the three ports. This is a signal to connect the welding well feeding system, and this is pipe, gas pipe, and this is the total power supply. Now we run this machine, turn on the switch, then emergency stop and key switch. Make sure the water chiller running first. Maybe you should wait 10 minutes. Then when the temperature is stable, usually it's 24 to 26, then laser and enable. Usually we will this emergency stop is turned on, and this laser source also turned on. Now all is ready, and you can turn on the well feeding system. Usually we setting well setting well. The speed is 20. Now you should just connect the laser gun. Safety clamp. Now usually we will set we should turn on this FGAP. That means laser is ready, setting the power and frequency, and this usually is 100. Okay, the welding model usually is alive. Now all is ready, we can do okay. We record a video, show you how to turn off the laser welding machine. Enable laser and the key, then emergency stop. Okay, already turned off. Now